Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says, considering the basic strength of amines in aqueous solution, which one has the smallest pKb value? ठीक है. So बच्चों, to find out the pKb value, we need to find out which one is the highly basic strength, किसका basic strength सबसे high है और किसका basic strength सबसे low है. Then only we can find out the pKb value. ठीक है. So in aqueous solution, you know what are the factors that decides your basic strength. That is your hydrogen bonding, है ना, steric effect, hydrogen bonding and hydration. So all this effect comes to play for the basic strength in aqueous solution. So based on this, secondary amines are more basic, ठीक है, then primary and then tertiary. Okay, and because this is the trend of primary, secondary and tertiary amine, in case of aryl amine, that is C6H5 and H2, that is your aniline. In aryl amine, this is the least basic. This is least basic. ठीक है, because here the lone pair of electrons are involved in the resonance, therefore they are not available, so it is least basic. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे बेसिसिटी के ऑर्डर फाइंड आउट करें, then your secondary amine will be more basic than the primary one, and it is more basic than tertiary. And the factors I have already told you कि जो three factors हमने बताया, based on this is the trend of basicity and then your aniline. ठीक है, okay. So we have to find out the smallest pKb value. बच्चों pKb value क्या होता है? It is the negative logarithm of Kb value. ठीक है. So the molecule which is having the highest basicity will have the least pKb value. ठीक है, तो लीस्ट पीकेबी वैल्यू किसका होता है? जिसका बेसिसिटी सबसे हाईएस्ट होता है. तो यहाँ पे तो सेकेंडरी अमीन है, दैट इज डाईमिथाइल अमीन इज योर molecule having the smallest pKb value. ठीक है, so the correct option is A. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.